Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. My name is Ruth Carol, and today we're going to unbox the 1736 data logger. So without wasting any much time, let's dive right into it.
Open this beautiful piece of equipment. Fluke 1736 data logger. Comes in a very nice carrying case. And here we go. So here is the main equipment, 1736 data logger. And then here we have the various accessories. We have the current cables, 4 of them. And then we have the voltage cables, another 4, including the crocodile clips. What else we have? We have the power supply cable, equipment. Let me see what else we have. What else we have? A lot of accessories that will fit different types of voltage systems.
Yes, so simply that was it, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the button down below, subscribe to our channel to much more of these videos. And if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them on the comment section. See you soon. Bye.